Wagwan people, so welcome back to my channel. It's a Friday morning and I'm going to work. Yeah. Anyway, I heard a news on the radio this morning that I'm going to share with you, where 3 Jamaicans perished in a house fire in the United States in Ohio. And the police are treating it as murder-suicide based on what neighbors said, based on what a family member said. And it's very sad to know that on the last day of 2019, a young girl lost her life because of domestic violence. And on the first day of a new year, of a new decade, 2 Jamaicans lost their lives because of allegedly domestic violence. It's actually 3 Jamaicans, but the man is also dead, that the police suspected of committing the act. So I'm going to say 2 Jamaicans lost their lives innocently. And based on what family members, or what a family member is saying, that the lady wanted to leave him, but was afraid to do so. Was afraid to do so because of how he might react.
The police in Columbus, Ohio, probe a house fire which left 3 Jamaicans dead on New Year's Day. A relative of one of them. There were signs of imminent danger. Arson investigators have been called in to investigate the blaze. The bodies of 42-year-old Gary Morris, 33-year-old Nerissa Distin, and their 2-year-old daughter Serena Morris were found after their house exploded. Ohio police say Nerissa, who is from Westmoreland, and her daughter are now being considered victims in a homicide probe. Nerissa's cousin, Cara White, that all was not well with the couple.
He made the attempt last month to stab her up, like early last month, and she has to run out the house with her daughter and her son. So she decided she is done. She's not going back. So I didn't talk to her yesterday, so I didn't even know that she went back to the house. So she had to run out. She stayed at a hotel, then by her mom. And she said she's finished. So my assumption is probably they're talking about it, and that's what. So she said if she's to leave him, he's going to kill her. And I always told her, do it then, go far and don't say anything. And she said he would kill himself.
Ms. White says an attempt was made for the couple to reconcile, but things took a turn for the worse.
And she always tried to make it work, but it's not. So she decided she can't take it no more because too much stress and anxiety. And I told her, like, I think you should just get family members and go by him. And she said she's not going there. I said, just tell him it's over. And she said it's not like he's going to take it like that either. You know, so she knows, she said she knows once it reaches that he's going to kill her and kill himself.
Cara White, the cousin of Nerissa Distin, one of 3 Jamaicans killed in a house fire in Ohio on New Year's Day. And neighbors of the 3 Jamaicans say the tragedy is tough to deal with. They hope police and fire investigators will soon ascertain what happened.
Shock and disbelief. It's just hard to believe it just can happen so fast. You snap your fingers and all of a sudden the whole place is chaotic.
The couple's 2 older children were not at home at the time of the fire. And news affiliate ABC6 last night provided this update on the probe into Wednesday's deadly fire.
The coroner has done a preliminary autopsy on the 3 victims. They were found in the same area of this home. What they found triggered the police investigation, but that information still being kept under wraps. Columbus arson investigators work in tandem with police. They're sifting through the debris for clues as to how the fire started.
Flame, heavy flame from ceiling down to the floor. And a human can't survive that for more than a couple seconds.
Neighbors call 911 after hearing an explosion just after 7:30 p.m. Home security footage captures the sounds of the explosion.
Oh, boom, that's what got me to look out the window. You can't see anything but the flames inside the house, and it is bad.
Neighbors' cell phone video gives us a glimpse of the chaos. Investigators tell us they believe the fire started in the kitchen family room area.
That report from ABC6.